Let me tell you about the life I live, alright? Better known as the baller life. Listen up. I'm all about my baller status, just doing it big on a daily basis, like cruising in my car, chilling at the bar.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Ballin' on a Budget Auto. This is James. I'm going to be working on my sister's Kia Optima. It's going to be just a quick fix to whenever my sister uses her AC, condensation builds up and it actually leaks into the passenger compartment underneath the glove box, and her carpet is completely wet, stinking up the whole car. So it appears to be that the AC drain is clogged. So today we're going to go ahead and inspect the AC drain underneath the actual glove box compartment. We're going to pull up the carpet, see if the drain's kinked, if it's draining profusely at the top, and then we're going to check underneath the car as well to see if we had to spray any compressed air into the AC drain to unclog it. Her whole passenger mat is completely soaked, so I'm going to be going under this dash. Sometimes the AC drain can be twisted or clogged in some manner, so we're going to go down and check it out. The AC drain on these Kia Optimas are usually found underneath this panel. So I'm going to pull back this carpet. Under the passenger dash, where the glove box is, here's the AC drain tube. I ran the AC for about 5-10 minutes. Nothing came out, or at least there's no dripping. And there's absolutely no kink on this tube. So I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath the car and see if I can unclog the AC drain with the air compressor. Underneath the car, located the AC drain. As you can tell, it's really not dropping at all. No fluids are coming out. So what I'm gonna do is see if I can unclog it. I just have this manual air compressor. All I gotta do is push on the top to release it and manually pump it. Pump it until there's like a great deal of resistance. And then you'll check your nozzle. I'm going to repump this, and let's go ahead and go underneath the car and see if we can fix that drain. I'm going to stick the air compressor in there. And there we go. Unclogged. Give it another. I hope this video is helpful. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing so you can see more content from Ballin' on a Budget Auto.